Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to understand the decrement command, DEC command in LS PLC. Let's get started. First of all, we will open our XG5000 software, and here we will take the first input of our PLC, an example IX0, and next we will choose the decrement command. DEC when you type, after you can get the command and click enter. And in the next row we will be take one close contact. Here we can put, if you like to put, okay, no like to put, you can take for example any X7 or whatever. And next we have to be take the compare command. When you type the equal, after you can get the equal command, sorry, EQ when you type, after you can get the equal command. And the next row we will be take one more command to set the value at our decrement command. IX1 we will be take for the move command function, and in the F10 we will be type the move function. When we type the move, after you can get the move function. And here in the output we will be take one negated coil, because of we are using the decrement command, so we have to be negated the coil, and you can take QX0 for an example and click enter. Because of if we are using the increment command, so we can use the open contact look like any, this is normal coil, but this is we inverse coil. Why we are using? Because we have to be come from the up from down, any increment value will be increased and decrement value will be decreased. And here we have to be take the one data register, for an example MD0 we will be take, and output also you can take MD0. And here in also you have to be type MD0 when equal with any data register R0. When you type, it's okay, nothing issue. And in the move function you have to be write the data register MD10 for an example type, and here you have to be type the MD0, because of which value you will be type it here. When you press the X1 signal, after this value will be moved into the MD0. So almost our program is now completed, and we will write this program into the PLC and let's test. Click yes, again okay, and again make the monitors. And for an example, this MD10 we will type the value 12. 12 counts after our outputs needs to be on, because now this QX0 is in the off condition. When we make it gives the signal at IX1, you will be see now 12 value will be moved and our output is on now. For example, this is you are using with the conveyor system, and your conveyor is now running. As you press the IX1, your conveyor will be started, and as you gives the signal at IX0, this is your counting value, counting sensor, you can say any you can say this is your sensor for the counting. For example, this is 11, 10, and as you giving the signal how much pieces passed in front of your signal, as this value will be completed at the 12, after you can see your output will be off. And again when you like to be restart this program, when you press the IX1, after you can see your output is on, and as this value will be completed, it will be stopped, right? This function called the decrement command. So hope guys you will be understand about this decrement command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.